Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget, please subscribe and like, and also click on the notification button to enable you notify whenever we upload new video. Alright, today we really want to make a very quick one smart cream also, and I will be teaching you how to, for the beginners, because a lot of beginners will be coming to WhatsApp to tell me how they can make use of their own cream, how they can PROMIX their own cream, better off they PROMIX their own cream. I said alright. So in a quick one, I just want to make you understand that is what you can do. You don't need to go to a big university for it, but I will show you the little I can show you. If you want to get deep knowledge, you can come and take a class, but for beginners, let me show you what you can use for a fast move. Alright, you see this GLUTA white. Alright, one thing about GLUTA white is this: you might be using GLUTA white for some time and you don't know how effective it is, because you'll be getting the fake one. Alright, so now for this PROMIXing you want to make, when you use this, you want to PROMIX this. Is about how many ml? It's about 250 ml. If you want to PROMIX this GLUTA white, you can use it as your base. Now use it as your base. Alright, use it as your base. Okay, take all of it into a bowl. After that, then you add your glutathione serum, the concentrate. This one is highly concentrated. Alright, you put half of it. Alright, because it's a lightening serum, not a serum that you just say you want to glow. And I told you, constant usage of this one can make you white for sure. So when you add this to this one, right? So I said use half of this and use this one 250 ml. You see, just follow my description. It's very easy. It's not all the time that you will be having the money to buy those expensive lotion. Now after that, you can now put your tube. You see this glutathione, I told you before, we have different type of glutathione tube. We have the injection, and then we have the ordinary one. We have the kojic one. This one is orange, vitamin C. And you know this vitamin C, you know all vitamin C. You know what is vitamin C? Vitamin C helps to lighten you. Are you getting it? Yes, make your skin lighten. So if you're healthy, you know there is vitamin C in your body. You understand? So in your skin also, you have to take care of your skin. So you add this one. I will always advise you, don't make it too much. Alright? Don't make it too much. So you add this one of the tube to it. So we just said now three items now. One, which is the 250 ml, and I say you use this one half. Alright? And I say use this one half of it. If you want to use one, you can say use one, not half. Use one of this one. So I said one. Right? Then now I urge you to use this one so that they be a balance. A lot of people, they be getting Abidjanese oil, but the problem why it's not working, they don't know the right one. And I told you we have different type. Alright, so this one you use like 4 spoons. Alright, you use 4 spoons. Then to control if there is maybe white patches or whatever, we come into that. Now you add your Zerotech. Okay, you add your Zerotech to it. And I told you, like, we have different type of Zerotech. We have different one. So we have the carrot, and we have the egg yolk, and we have the ordinary one, and I think we have the orange also. You see, Zerotech, one thing I love about Zerotech is something that I've been using time without number, and I always see results. I always see results. So it's effective. Are you getting it? And constant usage also, you will see results. You always see. For those of you who are allergic to carrot, you can use the egg yolk on. Okay, they are allergic to egg yolk too. You can use the ordinary one. So some people don't know we have the ordinary one. We have the ordinary one. Yes, this one is a spot remover. I told you, it's a spot remover. It make your skin, up one. The spot remover. You take every spot off your body. So you add this one to it. Okay. Now you add one of the Magic Derma. You see, you add Magic Derma. You add one to it. It's a concentrated serum. Are you getting it? You add one to it. We have different types. You can use Magic White, but this one is Magic Derma. Alright, now we don't know with what we've produced so far because of your body type. I don't know if it's going to cause you some irritation, because for the people I've done it for, nobody has told me, oh, it caused me this irritation. So for you beginners, I don't know, are you getting it, if it's going to cause you any irritation? But the truth is, it doesn't have any side effect, because everything you just promised right now, it's very glaring that they are original. Are you getting it? Okay. So, but in case if there's any irritation is gonna come up, that's why we have to put our whitening crude kinacol. You just have to put 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Alright? 1 spoon is okay. So you add 1 spoon of your whitening crude kinacol. We have ordinary crude kinacol. The ordinary crude kinacol, it will reduce the power of the whitening. If you don't know, yes. So in other words, not to reduce it, so you use the whitening. Okay. So other than that, even if it's not going to reduce it, even if it's going to reduce the power, you cannot increase your other additives while you reduce the crude kinacol. If you're making a large quantity, you can use there are sometimes I use full 1 liter like this. If I'm making a large quantity, and if I'm using the ordinary one, the difference between this one and the other one, this one is whitening, and so are you getting it? And this one also control white patches also. So if you're using the ordinary crude kinacol, which is for stretch mark, grease vein only, if you're using that one, you cannot increase the power of other additives. All right. So you add this one 1 spoon to it. Trust me, this lotion is very easy and smart. Alright, so I'll just show you how you can promise your GLUTA white with all this. So in a recap, we said you can use GLUTA white, which is 250 ml, and also use the glutathione serum. Are you getting it? And also use your Labjanis, and also use your tube, which is glutathione tube, the one of orange, and you can use your you can use your Zerotech spot remover, and you can use your Magic Derma, and use your you use your whitening crude kinacol. So for those of us, I think I'm not making much of it, so I'm just doing the one I can use for some time. So you have to put your preservative. You can use any of the preservative. Are you getting it? If you want to put fragrance, you can use any of the fragrance also. Are you getting it? Then if you still want to, you don't believe that your skin type, you don't know if it's easy adapt skin, you cannot use your propylene glycol. Alright? So your propylene glycol will let your pores open and let the lotion you've promised to sink in. Other than that, I think we're done. So stay tuned. Don't forget, if you can do all this, you can always place your order, so that we can send you all what we've just said now. Or we can make the cream and send to you. Or if you want to buy any skincare material items, or you want to buy cosmetic, we sell them. This is one of our shop, right? So you can sell them. If you can send us your details, which is all the items you need, and we send to you. We deliver everywhere within the country, and we also can deliver to you in anywhere. We can send your goods to you anywhere. And if you talk about US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia country, we can also send it to you there, over there. So I just believe, don't be thinking, should I buy from him? Should I buy? I know you a lot to be considered. Should I buy from him? Is it really true? Oh, sorry. You know, I know you can be. He's a guy, but why not give it a try? Take a bold step. All right. First of all, I will urge you to do all this I've said at home, and you see the result. I know a lot of you that be shouting me, blah 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 blah. Thanks. I appreciate you all. Also, I appreciate you all. The fact that the reason why we don't put our picture just because of what we've really encountered over some of all these customers where they don't give you approval to really upload their photos. All right. So other than that, I think we've come to the end of the class. So stay tuned till I come your way by evening time.